Have you heard about Tinker by Spotify? It's a simple AI tool that lets you create amazing images and video. Simply describe what you want with a prompt, and Tinker can turn your ideas into beautiful images or whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media content, or storytelling videos, Tinker helps bring your ideas to life much faster. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Tinker step by step. Let's get started.
Hey guys, so there's this new AI app that people are using to generate videos for free. Like, they're using it to generate their videos completely free. I don't know if the app is new, but I personally, I just discovered the app recently and I've decided to share this app with you guys. You can generate image to video, text to video, a lot of things. You can generate audio as much as you want, guys. I have decided to bring this update here with you today. I tried it out. The images, the videos, the audio, everything came out perfectly nice. The camera angles, like, I was like, wow, so we have such app like this and many people don't know. What? The only thing you have to do for me and for yourself is, after watching this video, rush to this app now and start creating before the update casts. You guys know what happened with Grok, right? Everyone thought Grok is going to stay there for a long time, but before you know it, Grok was made all paid version. You have to pay for it before you can use it. Even images, for you to generate images, once you generate one image, if you want to generate the second one on Grok, it will tell you that a lot of people are creating now. You have to wait. Do you get? Or you have to try again later. But this app, you have to start creating now before it casts. A lot of creators are using it. Some know about it, but some don't know about it. But kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't make mistake, or you won't say that the app is not working. The video that you just watched now, I created the video that you just watched with that particular app. So kindly watch this video to the end so that you get all the points and not miss anyone. And after watching this video, rush now and start creating. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, welcome to Learn with Mercy. Kindly like this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I drop a video. Let's get started. So guys, whether you are using Android or you are using iPhone, both of them can do it. All you need to do is to go to your App Store or Play Store and download Tinker by Spotify. This particular one, this one that has the logo, that's the one that you will download. You click on Get so that you'll be able to download the app. So after downloading, you open the app. This is the interface of the app, Tinker by Spotify. You can see there are a lot of things that you can do here, a whole lot of things that you can do here. Okay, so first of all, you have to sign in. You can see sign in up there. You click on sign in. You click on continue with Google so that you can choose the particular email address that you want to sign in with. So after that, you are ready to create. So this is the interface now after signing in. Okay, so guys, just like other AI apps, there are a lot of things you can do here, a whole lot of things. If you scroll up, you can see a lot of things that you can do, but that's not why we are here. We are here to create images and videos, right? So you click on type to create. You see type to create there. Let's click on it. So under type to create, we have images, we have videos, and we have text. You can create image to videos and you can create text to videos. So under image, we have where you can paste your prompt. This is the place. You can just copy your prompt from ChatGPT, or you can write anything on your own if you want to create image. So if you click here, you're going to see a lot of AI tools available for you. Okay, even Grok is here. Your favorite Grok is also here. If you click on advanced settings, you are going to choose the aspect ratio and a lot of other settings that you would like to choose, you know. All right, so let's start by creating image. I have already gotten my prompt from ChatGPT. So what I will do is to go to ChatGPT. That is after setting your image, how you want your image to appear. Make sure you set it properly. Then I will go to ChatGPT and copy my prompt. Okay, I will copy my image prompt. In this video, I asked ChatGPT to give me video prompt, image prompt, dialogue, and camera angle. So I will go and copy my image prompt, come here and paste it here. I'll click on that space where I am supposed to paste my prompt so that I'll be able to paste it. Then click on that icon there. Then I will click on slide to generate. You see that arrow, just slide it so that you'll be able to start generating your image. It doesn't even take time. So you have to give it access so that you'll be able to generate the image. You have to give it access to send you notifications. Okay, it doesn't take time, just about 30 to 40 minutes and your image is ready. So now we have our image. You can see that the image is ready now. So you can click on that three dotted line so that you'll be able to save the image to your photos. You just click on allow. If it is the first time you are trying to save your image to your photos, you click on allow so that you'll be able to give it access to your photos. Okay, you can also click on edit, that pencil icon. If you don't like the image or you want to make some changes, you click on that pencil icon so that you can describe your changes and it will make changes to your photos. You can also click on that plus sign so that you can use that image as your reference image. You know how we do in Google Flow now, just to maintain consistency, you can just upload any image, use it as your reference image. Okay, you see how I click on that plus icon, then uploaded that photo that I generated. I want it to maintain consistency, so I'm going to go back, copy my second prompt for image, then come back there, paste it there, clear this one that is there already. I'll clear this one so that I'll be able to paste the one that I copied for my second image. And remember that the first image that I generated is being used as a reference image so that it will maintain consistency. Okay, so after that, I'll then click on slide to generate. Just drag that arrow and wait for it to generate my second image. You just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, this is the second image that it generated, so I'm going to click on the three dotted line so that I can download the second image, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the rest of my image prompt and do the same thing. Remember to use the other image as your reference image just in case you want to maintain consistency. But if you are just generating random images, you can just go ahead and generate your images without using that one as your reference image. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for all of my images so that I'll be able to generate enough images for my videos. When you are done generating your images, you then have to click on that arrow so that you can go back and start creating your videos. So right now I'm done generating my images. I'm going to click on that arrow so that I can go back so I can see where I can create videos. So you see the images that I created over there. When you click on this arrow, this box here, you're going to see all the images that I created. There's 4 images. These are the images that I created. You can still make changes to the images if you want to, but if it is okay with you, you have to click the arrow and go back. Let's go back again so that we can create videos. Okay, so we click on type to create and then click on videos. You see video there, you click on it so that we can start creating videos. So under video, you can upload your first photo, that's your start photo, and then your end photo if you want to, but me, I just needed to upload one photo just as a start photo. Okay, so I clicked on that select photo and uploaded the first photo that I generated. The first one, I uploaded it. So this is the photo here. Then I have to go back to ChatGPT and then copy my video prompt, my camera angles, and my dialogue. Okay, the first video prompt for the first image, the video prompt for the first image, that's what I'm trying to copy. I'll just select or copy it and then go back and paste it here. This is the space where you can paste your prompt. Okay, click on it and click on paste, then click on that check so that I can go back and set other things. So when you click on additional settings, you can see a lot of settings you can do here. This is where you can choose your aspect ratio. Okay, you choose how many seconds you want your video. The lesser the seconds, the faster the video generates. All right, then you choose the resolution of your video. We have 480, we have 720, we have a lot of them. And this is your audio. If you need audio, in fact, audio is very important. Remember to turn on your audio so that the video can talk. So when you click up there, you're going to choose the particular tool that you want to use. It has a lot of tools that you can choose here. I'm going to test all of the tools so that you know which one is best. Okay, so I choose my tools and then I check through again to make sure that everything is the way I want. Then I will slide to generate. Okay, I will slide to generate and wait for it to generate. So guys, as for the video generation, it depends on how long your video is. For me, I like 6 seconds, 8 seconds, sometimes 10 seconds depending on the video. So this is going to take about 1 minute or thereabout, and here my video is ready. Okay, so this is my video now and this is it is playing. So you just play it and listen to it and know if it is what you want. So you can also make changes to it or still use it as reference video. If it is what you want, you click on that 3 dotted arrow, then click on download so that you can be able to download the video. you can save it to your gallery or to your photos. So you go back to ChatGPT and copy the second video prompt, copy the camera angles and the dialogue, then go back and still click on type to create. Okay, click on video, make sure you are creating on video, you turn it to video. This time around you just upload the second photo that has the exact video prompt. Okay, you upload the photo, you then check your settings, make sure that everything is accurate. Okay, just the way you want. You can also change your tool, the particular tool that you want to generate with. You can just change it and just try another tool. All of them are good. I tested all of them and they are working perfectly. Okay, all of them are good, so just choose the one that you want. There is one that gives you 6 seconds, one gives you 8 seconds, one gives you even 12 seconds. Okay, so it's left for you to try all of them and choose the one you want. Once you are done doing all your settings, you are going to set how many seconds you want, the aspect ratio, the resolution of your video, any one you want. Guys, this app is free for now. You have to start creating now that you are seeing this video. Don't wait tomorrow, because in few weeks to come or in few months to come, they're going to make this app pro version. So guys, you better rush now and start creating before it becomes a pro version. So I generated over 3 minutes video from this app using different tools, trying so many different tools. You all know how we do it, right? So after some times and you discover you can generate with a particular tool, all you have to do is just to change another tool, try another tool and try the first seconds. If it doesn't work, then you have to switch email. You have to log out and log in with a different email. That is the trick. We all have been doing it like that. It is not a new thing. Once you log in with a new email, you'll be able to continue generating your videos where you stopped. Okay, so this is how I did all of them, and I was able to generate 3 minutes video with this particular app in a day. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments. It can be a question, it can be an appreciation, it can be a suggestion, it can be anything. Just drop your comments and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, so after generating all the videos, I went to my favorite editing app, which is CapCut, and brought all the videos together. I removed some parts that I needed to remove. I added transition where is necessary, and then this is what I have.
Have you heard about Tinker by Spotify? It's a simple AI tool that lets you create amazing images and video. Simply describe what you want with a prompt, and Tinker can turn your ideas into beautiful images or
Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media content, or storytelling videos, Tinker helps bring your ideas to life much faster.
In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Tinker step by step. Let's get started.
Then when you are done editing your videos the way you want, you just click on export and save your video. Alright guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye.